Everyone, it's Melanie and welcome back to Living Luxuriously for Less. Today I wanted to share with you guys a Dollar Tree shop with me in which I found a ton of rare things in the Dollar Tree that would be perfect for your next wedding, your next baby shower, party, or any event. I could not believe that. Now, the first thing that I scored were the stemless wine glasses, and they had Mr. and Mrs. etched on them in white. These are so perfect, and I'm telling you guys, like, you would pay $10 to have this done per glass, and it's already done for just $10 a glass. Now, while I was over in the that section, I also found this charger, and it's kind of like the tweed or knots, and that plate looks so luxurious and so expensive. I'm sure Pier 1 has one, and if there is a Pier 1 dupe, I will link that down below just to show you how much you're saving. I also love these clear plates from the Dollar Tree. They are perfect for monogramming as well. I love this geometric tea light holder. They're perfect for just kind of, adding a little bit of extra on the table and you don't want to spend a whole lot of money. All of these tea light or candle holders would be perfect for that, for, again, your weddings and baby showers and things of that nature. And I had never seen these designs before in the Dollar Tree. I also found this lantern that was kind of sitting in the back. It was black and it was in a smaller mason jar, and the handle was a little bit longer. That would be perfect for hanging down the aisle at a wedding, or like along a mantle or fireplace, or just different areas. And then I also came across this pack of 4 tea light holders, and this would be perfect for replacing any that were broken in like a previous centerpiece, or just, adding a little bit of extra light to your tables. I also saw this candle sniffer. I thought that was awesome, and again, it's just $1, so that was a wonderful price. And then I saw these emergency candles. These are great in the case of emergency, but also if you have a venue that does not allow you to use real candlelight, all of these LED lights would be absolutely perfect for that. And I came across an entire pack of the LED tapered candles, and the light that they give off is really good. That one was for 5 hours, but pretty much that's a great time for like a reception. And then, you guys, the floating candles. There's a pack of 3 floating candles, and if you guys have ever purchased floating candles before, they cost about $1 each, and you can get a pack of 3 for $1 at the Dollar Tree. For those of you guys who are doing baby showers and you like to add like little trinkets and things like that to the table, this silver rhino is so cute. And it's also, doubles as a piggy bank, and then it has like some other animals in silver and gold. So that would be so cute for like a bohemian themed baby shower. And then the little cactuses are cute. I have an upcoming Asian baby showers. Those little Buddhas, I don't do Buddha, but if that's your thing. Also, they had the gold and silver mushrooms. I thought those were super, super, super cute as well. There is a cartoon that they have mushrooms. I just can't remember the name of it, but that would be cute for that type of party. And I love the fact that this candle holder already has the bling around it. And you guys, that is a significant savings along with the white one here. You can use that for organization as well as decor, or to hold pins, to sign the guest book. I mean, the possibilities are limitless. I also love the vacation fund jars with the little, you put your coin in the top, and the rainy day fund jar. I just thought that was cute, and it is perfect for like if you set a goal to save money. This would be the perfect tool to use for that. They also had the Goo Gone. I love this stuff. It is great, and it would be perfect for like removing stickers off of your glassware and picture frames and things like that. Or if you put something down in the venue and the tape was sticky, you can remove it. They also had these bronze picture frames. I thought these were super adorable. They would be cute to hold like the menu for the table or table numbers. I mean, the possibilities are limitless there. And they also had it in these gray picture frames. I thought those were also cute for like little signs for the wedding, like guest book signs or table number signs. I mean, whatever you need signage for, I thought those would be perfect. And they also had the wide silver, and then they had the bronze and gold. I mean, just so many choices. And if you are the type to like the smaller numbers, or if you wanted to kind of, you know, put names on there, you could do that on the smaller picture frame as well. Now, I thought this was really neat. They had the Aromatherapy roll-on in different kinds, and then there was one that was specifically for like muscle pain or muscle ease, and that would definitely be great for event planning at the end of the night after you've moved all around. That would be just so perfect. They also had these Mosque sheets that would be great for a DIY, along with these copper LED lights. I thought those were good as well. And you've seen the faux stones before. I just had not seen the Mosque sheets. They also have these plant labels. This would also be great for labeling food or labeling activities at one of your events. I mean, and I think there was like 10 or 8 or 10 in the pack. So I thought that would be great to use. And I saw these angel wing candlelight holders be great for an angel themed baby shower. You know, I also turn it around so you guys can get the number on the bottom, so that would be good. And then also I found these little unicorns that I thought was super cute. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video and enjoy me shopping with me and me sharing with you all of these items that could definitely be used for any party or event that you have coming up. If you haven't already, please be sure to like, comment, and subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so you don't miss any upcoming videos. Please check out the previous 2 videos that I've posted. Thank you guys so much for watching, and until next time, it's Melanie with Living Luxuriously for Less. Cheers!